Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your age on Discord. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead over to your favorite browser and type down support.discord.com. Okay, again, support.discord.com, and once done, just hit on enter, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go to the top and click on submit a request. Okay, click on it, wait for it. If it asks you to verify, just go ahead and verify. And then once that's done, it now says here, you need to sign in before you can create a ticket. So just go ahead and sign in. So if it doesn't let you sign in, just go ahead and tap on sign up right here. And don't worry, this one is separate to your Discord account. So enter your full name and your email, tap on sign up. There you go. Once more, verify. Check your email as it says here. And once signed in, just click on submit a request, like so. Click on this drop down, click on help and support. Now type of question right here, make sure to select technical support. What type of issue are you experiencing? Just select account settings, okay? Platform right here, maybe Windows, subject, change age. Okay, now go ahead and scroll all the way down and add in your description. Just go ahead and type down, hi, I wanted to change my age on Discord. I have mistakenly added this age instead of this age. Okay, now click on this checkbox, add in some attachments if you want to, or you can go ahead and take a photo of your age from your ID. Then once done, just click on submit right here and wait for the Discord support to get back to you. All right, and there you have it. That is how you change your age on Discord. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.